The topic of today's sermon is Christianity foundations are under attack. Today, the foundations of godly society are being attacked on a daily basis. Corruption and nefarious activities are derailing the faith of many people. Christendom is in a spiritual slumber that is making the forces of darkness to sneak into the churches and causing mayhem in the vineyard of the Lord across the globe. The way things are going, when the bottom falls out, what can the righteous accomplish? What can an honest person do when everything crumbles? The foundations of the law and orders are collapsing at an alarming rate. As a believer, will you stand by and do nothing? Are you going to stay idle when the foundations of Christianity are caving in? This is according to the book of Psalm, chapter 11, verse 3. And I will read, "If the foundations are destroyed, what can the righteous do? Do not succumb to the wiles of Satan. The godly people must join forces and collaborate to rectify the situation. Anyone who calls himself or herself a beloved must put in his or her best so that everything will not fall apart." May the Lord bless his words.